My name is Bill Carpenter, and I live in Rancho Peñasquitas in the San Diego County. We've been in this house for about 30 years, and so I knew that I needed to probably replace my roof. And as I began to think about it, I thought, well, as long as I'm going to replace my roof, I might as well have solar installed. I believe that SDG&E will begin and continue to increase our electrical utilities. And as a retired person, I wanted to minimize that as much as possible. So we did look at several other different companies. And when Semper Solaris came in, their program to us was just so precise to what they knew they were going to do. And they were very confident that they could make this happen as quickly as possible and that we would be very, very satisfied with them. Constantly, there was people always giving me updates about where the process lied, whether it was in the permit stage, whether it was they were getting ready for construction. Everything was always on the up and up. I think they were very professional in everything they did, and I enjoyed the experience of being with them during this project. Well, certainly the expectation is I can lower my utility bill, not only for a year or so, but really into the future. And from what I have seen so far in watching the system run, it's been extremely efficient. And we're very happy with it.